Hello friends, and welcome to a review of the Glen 4-burner built-in glass hob top. This 4-burner built-in hob top has 8.0 mm thick toughened glass which is heat and impact resistant and comes with 5-year warranty against breakage. Glen gives you convenience to use the hob in the way you like, as a built-in, or you can keep on the counter, so no hassles of cutting the stone off the counter. It has 4 double ring forged brass burners. Forging process makes the burner 5 times stronger and increases the life of the burner. It is 60 centimeters wide to give enough space to use all the 4 burners together. There are 2 big and 2 small burners to be used as per your requirement. The precision of its gas valves takes care of the flame control and there are no chances to sim off. This hob top has strong vitreous enameled pan supports which can accommodate heavy utensils with ease. Elegant knobs with a firm grip are provided for hassle-free operations. The hob top comes with integrated multi-spark auto ignition of 1.5 volt, so no need for lighters or matchsticks. It ignites the burner only during the cooking operations. This 4-burner built-in hob top from Glen comes with a 2-year brand warranty. You can also register for a 5-year warranty on the glass. For further information on this Glen 4-burner built-in glass hob, visit the product detail page.